If you want to protect your private chats and keep your WhatsApp secure, you don't need to download any third-party application. Android already includes a built-in fingerprint and face lock feature that works directly with WhatsApp. In this guide, you'll learn the fastest and easiest way to lock WhatsApp in just a few steps. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. In the top right corner of the screen, tap the three dots to open the menu. From there, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap Privacy and scroll all the way down until you find App Lock or Fingerprint Lock. The name may vary depending on your Android version or phone brand. Next, tap the option and turn on Unlock with Fingerprint. Your phone will ask you to verify your fingerprint to confirm the setup. Once verified, you can choose how quickly WhatsApp should lock itself after you leave the app. You'll usually see 3 timing options: immediately, after 1 minute, after 30 minutes. Choose the option that fits your privacy needs best. If you want maximum security, select immediately so the app locks as soon as you close it. After setup is complete, exit WhatsApp and open it again to test the feature. You'll now see a fingerprint or face unlock prompt before the app opens, helping protect your personal chats from unauthorized access. That's it. Your WhatsApp is now secure with fingerprint lock. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech tips.